Welcome back, fellow viewers, to our channel eComHardy.com, where we uncover the fascinating world of e-commerce. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We are about to dive deep into the untold story of the e-commerce giants, where we'll reveal their secrets, strategies, and the extraordinary journey that brought them to the pinnacle of success. So, grab a seat and get ready to be captivated. Segment 1: The Rise of Titans. Every e-commerce giant has a humble beginning. In this segment, we'll explore how these giants started from scratch and transformed into global powerhouses. Stories of Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba will unveil their founders' initial vision, the challenges they faced, and the pivotal moments that led to their meteoric rise. Early strategies and innovations, from Amazon's customer-centric approach to eBay's auction model and Alibaba's B2B revolution, we'll explore the unique strategies that set these giants apart. Segment 2: Behind Closed Doors. Curious about what happens behind the scenes of these colossal companies? In this segment, we'll take you on an exclusive journey into the heart of their operations. Fulfillment centers and logistics. Discover the intricate systems that allow millions of products to be delivered around the globe in record time. Data-driven decision-making. We'll explore how e-commerce giants leverage big data and cutting-edge analytics to optimize their operations, personalize user experiences, and stay ahead of the competition. Segment 3: Innovations and Disruptions. Innovation is the lifeblood of these giants. In this segment, we'll unveil the groundbreaking technologies and disruptions that reshape the e-commerce landscape. AI and machine learning. Explore how artificial intelligence powers personalized recommendations, chatbots, and fraud detection systems, revolutionizing the way we shop online. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Discover how e-commerce giants are adopting blockchain technology and embracing cryptocurrencies to enhance security, streamline transactions, and create trust. Segment 4: The Future of E-commerce. What lies ahead for these titans of e-commerce? In this final segment, we'll take a glimpse into the future and discuss the potential challenges and opportunities. Emerging markets and global expansion. We'll explore how e-commerce giants are tapping into new markets, adapting to cultural nuances, and expanding their footprint worldwide. Sustainability and ethical practices. Learn how these companies are taking steps to reduce their environmental impact, promote fair trade, and contribute to a more sustainable future. That concludes our captivating journey into the untold story of e-commerce giants. We hope you've gained valuable insights into their rise to dominance, their behind-the-scenes operations, groundbreaking innovations, and their vision for the future. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel eComHardy.com, and join our amazing community of e-commerce enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep shaping the future of e-commerce.